Hello, Professor. Hope all is well. Hope your week's off to a good start. Today, for the Chapter 5 Screencast-O-Matic, reviewing a utility program, I'm going to be using the File Explorer on my Windows desktop PC. First, I decided to do this on Windows just because I'd assume you'd agree as well. Windows just has a friendlier user interface and everything. It looks a lot more neat. So the File Explorer on the Windows is accessed through this icon, or you can access it right here in the search bar through File Explorer. One reason I like this utility is for its quick access. It allows you to access any documents, media, etc. Quite quickly. Right here with recent things, we also have access to everything on our desktop that you see right here. Downloads, this section may be for anything that you're downloading off the internet. Let's say Canvas, for instance. Go over here, log in. Right over here. Let's say that I wanted to download something from the internet, for instance, right here. Oh. Let's scroll back up just a little bit. Alright. I would just open it right here in my downloads, and that is this PDF that I downloaded right here. That's also another neat feature. We have all of our documents and folders, pictures, anywhere from screenshots to saved from online as well. We have access to our memory. Right here is the 2 terabyte hard drive, and then we also have the SSD right over here. That's about all for the File Explorer. Thanks for watching.